Today we take for granted that any event around us, good or bad, could be filmed. But by how much can we rely on the visual evidence? What if a person's future depended on it? A crime is committed. It's very likely that the scene was caught on film in some way. Videos are everywhere, in different formats, in different standards. With several technical challenges, the law enforcement cannot overcome alone. So that's where we come in to solve those issues, to make images and videos usable and reliable within the justice system. Reliability is very important. We have tools that allow us to see more in a reliable way. The importance of our approach is that we do not add new information. Simply, we show better what is already there, with a scientific report containing the specific methodologies and processing steps to allow the images to be valid in legal proceedings. We also make it possible to verify the origin of a picture. Every device has imperfections and therefore a unique identity. Our software can recognize those imperfections in an image and trace them back to the device that generated it. Although we are in the background, our work can change someone's life. The future will put us to the test. The new technologies that generate fake images force us to create new technologies to recognize them. In this world, where everything can be faked, restoring trust is essential.